Electrical Installation and Maintenance. Exploratory course for Grade 7 and Grade 8. Our topic is request appropriate supplies, materials, and tools for a specific job. In filling up the different forms used in electrical installation and maintenance. The correctness of the entry of different forms used in electrical work is necessary in order to acquire right, complete and accurate number of materials and tools needed in a specific electrical job. Here are samples of different forms used in electrical work. First is the Purchase Requisition Form. Purchase requisition is a document generated by a user department or storeroom personnel to notify the purchasing department items it needs to order, their quantity, and the time frame. It may also contain the authorization to proceed with the purchase. This is also called Purchase Request or Requisition. Next is the Inventory of Raw Materials Form. Inventory are raw materials, work-in-process goods and completely finished goods that are considered to be the portion of a business assets that are ready or will be ready for sale. Inventory represents one of the most important assets that most business possess, because the turnover of inventory represents one of the primary sources of revenue generation and subsequent earnings for the company's shareholders or owners. Here is an example of Inventory of Materials Form. Next is the Job Order or Work Order Form. The Job Order or Work Order Form is a written instruction to perform a work according to specified requirements, within specified time frame and cost estimates. Here is an example of Work Order Form, or Job Order Form. And finally, the Borrower's Form. The Borrower's Form is a form used to request tools and equipment needed for a particular job. It indicates the department that the borrower is connected, the date, the job that is to be done, who is the person to approve the request, when it was returned and if it was in good condition. Here is sample of Borrower's Form. First part of the Borrower's Form. The second part of the Borrower's Form.
This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.